Feeling nervous at school? You're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll share simple tips that can help you feel more confident and less anxious. Hey there. If you're watching this, it means you're probably dealing with some level of social anxiety or maybe feeling overwhelmed by anxiety in general. And I just want to start by saying, you are not alone. So many of us have been there, including me, and it's completely okay to feel this way. But today, I want to share with you some tips that have helped me and others manage social anxiety, especially during those tough school years. Understanding social anxiety. First of all, let's talk about what social anxiety feels like. You might get nervous talking in front of others, or maybe you avoid social situations because you're scared of being judged. There were times when even walking into a classroom felt overwhelming for me. But here's something I learned. Social anxiety often exaggerates our fears. People are usually more focused on themselves than we realize. Tip 1. Take small steps. My first tip is to take small steps. Start by pushing yourself just a little bit out of your comfort zone. Maybe today you say hi to someone new, or you raise your hand in class. You don't have to do everything at once, but every small victory adds up, and trust me, you'll feel stronger each time. Tip 2. Challenge negative thoughts. Next, challenge those negative thoughts. Social anxiety can make us think everyone's judging us or waiting for us to make a mistake. But here's the truth. People are way less critical of you than you might think. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, ask yourself, is this really true? Or am I just being hard on myself? A lot of times, it's that second one. Tip 3. Focus on your strengths. Another thing that really helped me was focusing on my strengths. Instead of worrying about how I might mess up in social situations, I started thinking about what I was good at. Whether it's art, sports, or even being a good listener, everyone has something they're amazing at. When you remind yourself of your strengths, it builds confidence and takes the focus off your fears. Tip 4. Practice mindfulness. One of the biggest things that helped me manage my anxiety was practicing mindfulness. It's as simple as taking deep breaths, paying attention to how you're feeling in the moment, and reminding yourself that it's okay to feel anxious sometimes. Mindfulness helps you stay present instead of worrying about the future or what others are thinking. Tip 5. Talk to someone you trust. And finally, don't be afraid to talk to someone you trust. Whether it's a close friend, a family member, or a teacher, sharing what you're feeling can make such a difference. Sometimes just saying it out loud makes it seem a little less scary. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. So if you're feeling anxious or nervous, know that it's okay. It doesn't define who you are, and it doesn't have to hold you back. You are stronger than you think, and each day you're taking steps to overcome this. Just remember, small steps, focus on your strengths, and don't be too hard on yourself. You've got this.